Always read your use and care guide. This video is for informational purposes only.
Your washer runs at a very high RPM when in high spin speeds. Whenever the tub is moving or spinning, the lid is locked for safety reasons. Canceling the cycle and powering off the washer does not immediately stop the tub from spinning. The tub has to coast to a complete stop. While the tub is coasting down, the lid lock light flashes, indicating that the lid cannot be opened. During the coasting downtime, there may not be any sound coming from the washer. Once the tub coasts to a complete stop, the lid unlocks, and the lid lock light turns off. The lid can now be opened.
Always follow your use and care guide, included with every product, or available online at www.maytag.com.